One hand wash the other, teamwork shit. Trying to find a meaning of life, I've been searching. Hey yo, I never take a chance, it gotta be a sure thing. And out here they wonder why the cage birds sing.
Hey yo, I never take a chance, it gotta be a sure thing. And now here they wonder why the cage birds sing. One hand wash the other, teamwork shit. Trying to find the meaning of life, I've been searching, I'm too deep. You ain't touching the surface. Encore until they clutching the curtains, these earthlings. They needed something to worship, get trapped in this realm, but really is it worth it? Not at all, I couldn't be at the bottom. Looking at the man at the top that got it all. Me being here right now is a breakthrough, I'm grateful. For real man, I could've been April. You know me, burn trees like maple, for real. I gotta get it together like Staples. One day they love you, one day they hate you. Confused like why don't you pick a side to stay to? Looking at the odds that's against you. Chill, I got something to heal like it be sensu. Y'all still using the rhymes that I lent you. Y'all don't know about the mind's full potential. Smoke a little blend, but nothing too special. I know you would treat me how you want if I let you, but nah, I do most this shit how I want to. After me, I wonder how your girl still wants you. Remember when I never had shit but my re-up, but now I try to raise my seat up and raise my feet up. If y'all don't like them, good, me neither. Wax paper, giving out cuts like meat cleavers. I came in the form of the prophet from Medina, the world's redeemer to all true believers.
Jesus has finally trapped himself. There is no escape.